I'm Harry, welcome to EG Down Under. Today, obviously we go back to Edsfield and we clean up on the beach thing. And Lewis, you alright there, Lewis? You good?
No.
Right, okay. And we went back with Ed's brother and we finished obviously the thing. So I forgot to do an intro, so that's the intro. And yeah, enjoy the video and I'll see you in a bit.
There's loads of other shapes there, but that's not our property.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and also leave a comment. And if you want us to, we'll go back. We'll go back to the field and finish what we started. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.